what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that you have an engine that's overheating and you've checked everything, it's time to check your grill. Let's go outside and take a look. DIYers, here we are outside, and again I want to run through something that a lot of people just forget about, and that's okay. Check this out. We had an ice storm the last day and a half, and that's our grill. And the whole engineered design behind the open grill portion of the front end of vehicles is to allow airflow. Say for example, we're on the highway driving 70 miles an hour. That added airflow pouring into that grill and into the engine compartment while you're driving helps cool the engine in lieu or in addition to the coolant system. However, check that out. Solid ice. I won't even attempt to break that free or dry the vehicle. I'm just gonna have to wait for warmer weather, hopefully in the next day and a half, and that will thaw out and open up those vents or grill. So in the event that you have ice buildup, snow buildup, sleet, mud, dirt, whatever, make sure you clean the inlets of your grill to again allow airflow to get into your engine compartment and assist in the proper engine cooling. And again, a lot of people forget about that, but that's okay. Do not take that for granted. That is a must-have when you're out driving. Again, that added airflow cooling when your engine is running, in addition to the obvious coolant system. So again, we wanted to show you that. DIYers, we got a serious ice storm. This whole driveway is a sheet of ice. And to another close-up. Again, solid ice. But nowhere near the amount that will allow air to get in past those grill and into the engine compartment for proper cooling. Yikes. And to the knockout roses. Wow. Well, DIYers, it is thawing out. Check that out. Again, make sure at all costs that your grill vent is completely free of any ice, snow, mud, debris, whatever. It needs to allow air to flow into that grill and into the engine compartment while you're out driving for proper cooling. And don't forget down below as well. See that? There's the internal condenser and radiator area. Get all that ice out of there. Free up every single bit of your ventilation going into your engine compartment. DIYers, I promise you, this plays a big role in overheating engines this time of year. Make sure, again, the ventilation or grill vents are clean and clear and allow air through as you drive. Now to the truck. Again, I don't want to break anything. Well, for the most part, there's the top. Again, I'm going to do this area. As well as down here. Again, get all that out and off. Now to the trees. I mean, it is just falling off. Not snowing, not raining, but the temperature is at a point, oh my goodness, it is just falling off. All that ice that accumulated on the trees, twigs, branches, etc. DIYers, at this point I've got the hood open. I want to show you the radiator fan, as you can see there, and we have a single fan system, and it is connected and mounted to the radiator itself. In our specific engine, inline 5 for our Colorado, And depending on the engine size, the manufacturer, and design of your engine will depend on whether or not you have one fan or two fans, or a smaller single fan or a larger single fan. Again, in the event that you have two fans, monitor your radiator. Well, during the engineering process of building your engine, the engineers decided that two fans were better than one. So I do want to put the radiator fan into perspective and talk about that real quick. Think about when you start your engine during the summer, maybe it's 80 degrees, even 75 degrees out, and you let the car sit idle for 5 to 10 minutes, and all of a sudden, the tone or sound of the engine changes. And that is because the radiator fan has turned on. Because again, you're not driving and no air is coming inside that grill and air cooling your engine and assisting with the liquid cooling of your coolant system. So what does that fan do? It turns on and blows air at your engine because your internal engine sensors have detected, hey, we've got no air coming through that grill and helping cool the engine. So it's time to turn on that radiator fan. In addition, it could be as simple as just sitting through a drive-through, getting a bite to eat, and your engine, again, is at idle. You're not moving, no airflow is coming through that grill. And as you slowly make your way around the line to get your food, it's very likely and common for your radiator fan system to turn on and blow air onto your engine to help it cool when there's no air coming through that vent or grill. Now to my Toyota Camry, and let's take a look. And as you can see, we have a two-fan system or design mounted to our radiator. And it's a smaller engine, 2.2 liter, as opposed to our inline 5 on our Colorado. But again, the engineers during the build of the engine found it more beneficial to have two fans.